Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to make a 10-foot giant spider eye prop that you can hang from a tree or straddle above a tall fence. To get started on the base, we're going to need the following items. Two 13-inch lengths of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, two 10-inch lengths of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, four 11-inch lengths of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, four 3-inch lengths of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, four 5-inch lengths of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, and a slight alteration, we're actually going to use 4 90-degree elbows, and then we're going to use 12 45-degree elbows and 4 T's. Next we're going to do a dry run, and we're going to assemble all of the pieces just as shown. Pay careful attention to the angles at which the T's are set. Finally, we'll take our 4 11-inch pieces and we'll set those in the T so that we can set the angle for the legs that are going to come out of the frame. Once we have the dry run for our frame put together, we're going to put a mark everywhere where a piece of pipe goes into a joint. That way, when we go to glue the frame, we'll be able to assemble everything exactly where it was before. Now that we have our basic frame built, this is going to be the top, this will be the bottom where the eye will be. We need to place 4 18-inch lengths of string in each of the corners and tape them together. Want to see how that is just right there in the corner. You tape each one of those together. These will come in very handy later. If you don't do it now, you'll have to poke a hole through the
the basic design of the eye, and it'll be obvious to you later why this is being done. Okay, with our frame done, it's time for part 2. The exercise ball, which is going to be your eye. We got this from, I think, Academy for about 10-15 bucks. Comes with this piece of junk foot pump that we're not going to use because I'm actually too lazy for that. Instead, I'm going to use a compressor and cheat a little bit. Find the hole at the top, take the hose from my little compressor, and we're just going to pump this guy up. Let him cook. And we don't need to fill in really overly tight. We just need them to be somewhat round. And when we're done, we put this plug into the top so the air doesn't leak. And that should hold your eye, where this is going to be your eye, pretty much through the duration of your season. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to just duct tape this ball to the frame right here. Now that we have the exercise ball mounted to the frame, we're going to turn it right side up. And here's where you'll see what the purpose was for these ropes. Because we're going to have to hang it from something, from a tree or from a frame that you build. And in order to make it even and easy to control, we're going to have a rope on each side cut into a loop so that everything will be nice and even going to one basic rope. And we've cut our plastic up into long, thin strips. And the purpose for that is we're going to start overlaying these until we have the basic outline of the eye. The first ones we're going to do, though, are right up here where the rope attaches, because we need to put holes in them. So you notice I just cut a little hole here. That'll fit right there real easy. We tuck it underneath the ball, and then we'll just drape it, and then we'll begin to tape it up.